roll of war baggage.
I tried my best, I gave it all of me. Late at night, I've been roaming, I ain't getting no sleep. It's hard to stay focused when that pain running deep. Been alone my whole life, but you helped me forget. Then you made me remember my heart cold is December. Learning to love myself, I've been alone every weekend. They say he's out of breath, cause he's been running from demons. You left, I needed help, you were someone that I believed in. People change like the seasons, I'm asking what's the reason. And I've been thugging dolo, lay in my bed and cut off my phone. I smoke that dope alone, me and others don't get along. You can peep the pain in my face, but I hide it deep in these songs.
South Fort Worth, we're just now finishing up the boarding process.
Johnson, we better get ready to leave in a
This will be a
second.
completely full flight.
We just
Everybody
got
needs
on
to use their underseat storage as best as possible.
Way in the back.
The only exception to this rule is if you were row 1 or row 8, every item needs to go up for taxi, takeoff, and landing. This is a federal aviation regulation. We do appreciate your compliance with that policy.
We don't feel like
If you are seated in the exit row, go ahead and review the safety cards. You may be called off in the event of an emergency. If you are unwilling or unable to operate that exit, please let a flight attendant know.
Alright, y'all, so we're getting out the plane now. Got to get ready to hop up out this. Screw it, bro. Thank you, bro. I know what's going on. Damn. Hey, that little flight wouldn't need that bad, though. It wouldn't need that bad. I got some good sleep on that joint. That was a lot. No calorie. Hey, so right now I'm in Dallas. I gotta figure out how long my wait is to my connect flight. So we gonna see. Come on, let's go. Let's see. Just on that joint over there. That joint straight though. The only thing I hate is I'm tall as hell, so my legs be hurt. But for the most part, they were straight. Yeah. I gotta figure out. We here. Hey, this is my first time being in Dallas though, no cap. I ain't know Dallas had no 7-Elevens. That's crazy. Damn, folks are already wearing cowboy hats. That's crazy. You feel me? But hey, damn, bro. Shit, crazy. Dude almost fell trying to text on his phone. Damn, where's C14? Okay, here it goes up there. What's this? We got the seafood kitchen. Hey, no caparito. Flying to me, bro, is cool, bro. Flying is cool, bro. I think this C14. Come right here for right now. Alright, man, so let me give y'all a little update on what's going on right now. So right now, I just left my hometown, Memphis, Tennessee. Y'all know where I'm from. I'm from the M, you feel me? And right now I'm about to head to my destination. I still ain't told y'all what my destination is yet. So y'all still gotta stay tuned. Make sure you go watch the previous video if you haven't already. So yeah, right now I'm in Dallas, Fort Worth. You feel me? First time in Texas. Well, this is my second time in Texas. I think the first time I went, I think I did go to Houston, I believe. So yeah, but one more flight and then I'll be where you guys are waiting to see me be at. So, you know, I'm probably finna go take a quick piss right quick. I gotta be bad as hell.
Let's have a baby. I said you crazy. And I'm not lazy. But you sound crazy. That money calling. That money
like some Fredo. Stacking it up just like some Play-Doh. They watching me just like some cable.
Well, I was gonna say this morning, which it really was, but so far today has been like crazy, but like lit at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't know about y'all, bro, but whenever I do catch a flight, you feel me, this shit always, you know, fun to me. And not only that, this was my very first time sitting in the very, very back. Like I was literally sitting in the back.
Santa Ana flight 1599, there has been a gate and terminal change. New gate, B like Boyd 12. If you're traveling to Orange County, flight 1599, there has been a gate change. New gate, B like Boyd 12.
It's 11:45, so I got pretty much like 30, 45 minutes to my next flight. So yeah, shit, I don't even know what else to say. But yeah, I guess I go ahead and, nah, I ain't gonna end this. Yeah, I might just go ahead and end this vlog here, you feel me? I'm going ahead and end this vlog here, so make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and like this video. If y'all liked it, go ahead and subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with your boy. Why do you folks staring at me? I mean, I know I got a camera, but still. But yeah, fool, so I'll see y'all in my next vlog. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Like I told y'all, go watch the previous video. Okay, cool. I'll see y'all in my next video, man. Let's go.